गोवर्धन पर्वत, जिसे गिरिराज भी कहा जाता है, is one of the most important places of Vrindavan and also the dearest to devotees of Sri Krishna. So today let's uncover the reason behind Govardhan Puja. ये स्टोरी श्री कृष्ण की बाल लीलाओं में से एक है। उन दिनों में ब्रजवासी लॉर्ड ऑफ रेन्स इंद्रदेव की पूजा किया करते थे, which made him filled with ego. He thought he is being worshipped while Sri Krishna is mere a child going around eating makhan. That is when Krishna Bhagwan decided to check and control his ego. At that point, Krishna convinced everyone that they should stop Indra's worship and pray to Govardhan instead, as their livelihood is coming from Govardhan Parvat only. Due to not being prayed, Indradev got so angry that he decided to punish the Brajvasis and started sending torrential rains over Braj. Facing such difficult situation, they actually doubted their Kanha. But Krishna convinced them again and told them कि उन्हें गोवर्धन के पास ही जाना चाहिए for help. When they all went towards Govardhan for seeking help, it was at that time when Sri Krishna, at the age of 7 years, lifted the huge Govardhan Parvat on his left hand's little finger alone. He gave shelter to every living creature under the mountain, just like umbrella gives us shelter from rains. In spite of all the hailstorms and torrential rains sent by Indradev, little Krishna lifted the mountain for 7 days and 7 nights continuously. Finally, Indradev realized his mistake, stopped his attack. He surrendered to Sri Krishna and prayed for forgiveness. Actually, Govardhan Ji is Krishna only, in the form of mountain. It is believed that Govardhan came from Krishna's heart, which is specially to protect us from difficult times and fulfill our desires. Govardhan ki puja is a way to be thankful to Sri Krishna for always protecting and blessing us. If you like our story, like, comment and share, and follow us for more such stories.